You have heard some unprofessional statements. You've heard some profanity. But that doesn't mean Mr. Jones had the intent to commit a crime. The people's DA, yes. Maybe even the people's dumb, but that's not criminal. We knew who Mr. Jones was before he got in office.
All right, what's corruption? It's up to you. If you think that the district attorney trying to tell a corporal to lie under oath is corruption, we're good. We're good. That's exactly what that is. Quite frankly, I can't think of anything more corrupt for a district attorney to do, right, than to tell someone to lie, to throw someone in jail.
Don't be fooled, ladies and gentlemen. The state is bringing all of this extra stuff in here just to make you believe and muddy the water that if all of this is happening, there got to be something you did wrong.
You don't have to directly say it. Everybody knows what you mean when you say, I'm the best friend you got. I'm the best friend you got, and I'll have to come off the case. That's a threat. That is a threat, especially when your family member is killed and you're looking for justice.
Remember, Mr. Jones didn't have to prove that he's innocent. The great state has to prove that he's guilty. Look at what evidence is in there. Look at those great holes in the state's case. The great number of problems with the state's case. The great number of missing facts and evidence. And the inability for the great state to prove their case. We present to you, ladies and gentlemen, the state has failed to meet their burden.
He was elected on a platform where we're going to go after violent crime, and that's a great platform to have, and there's nothing wrong with that. There's absolutely nothing wrong with that, but you got to do it legally, ethically, and honestly. Take a look at his appointment. Brian Kemp signed it, put him in office. He became the district attorney, and then he broke the law.
And if you think any of these witnesses are self-motivated, that challenges their credibility, and there is reasonable doubt with respect to whether or not those witnesses should be proved and should be believed. I think their testimony and the evidence shows is self-serving, and therefore, ladies and gentlemen, there's reasonable doubt.